delay.
Touch delay. Touch delay.
Gela devin be.
Okay, can you translate? What is touch delay? That's like hello, right?
Delay
is good morning, good afternoon.
Like hello?
Yes, yeah.
And then what?
Sometimes represent is good. Sometimes represent is
First meet with first talk to Tashidele.
Tashidele. Okay, cool. Thanks. That's a little Tibetan language information for everyone. Okay, should we go?
Yeah.
We're going away, leaving the church. So here's the sign about the church. Church of St. John in the Wilderness. Someone tried to scratch out the word British. Apparently they don't regard the British very fondly here in India these days. Some fresh air.
Yeah, so clean.
Yeah, some blood.
They are fresh, so nice, and so clean.
Clean, fresh air. It's great. It feels great. They're very peaceful, these monkeys.
Yes.
Peaceful animals.
Peaceful animals. Their animal's name, Pak.
Bak.
In India name, Pak.
Oh, that's the Indian name.
Yes, Pak.
So you're saying it's not a monkey? The kind of monkey?
No. Oh, no monkey.
Not a monkey?
No monkey.
Monkey is a dangerous animal?
Yes.
Why?
Because I give bread.
Yeah.
Give bread. Monkey is angry me. Me.
Yeah.
Then he tried to bite.
Bite you?
Bite me.
Oh man.
Pak. Dalai Lama Temple said.
Yeah.
Pak. Not carry.
Not carry?
Not.
You mean not run?
Not run.
Run away.
Not run.
Not run away.
Not run. Pak stay near.
Oh, they all stay near the temple.
Give road. His tank.
Give the food? So you can feed the pak?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. There's a pak, one of those big monkey things up here in this tree. I don't know. See him? Right there? It's hard to see it. He's watching us. These monkeys are kind of scared of people, and the other monkeys are more aggressive. This one's a very big monkey with a kind of black face. It's really interesting. The first time I've seen this. Wow, this Bach is so close. Hey, Bach. Wow, they're so big. Whoa. Yeah, there's another one now.
Oh, so cute.
Two with babies. She's crazy.
Oh my god.
Looks like the babies are friends. How long did you study Buddhism? Buddhist philosophy? 23 years. 23 years you were studying Buddhist philosophy. That's amazing.
Yes.
Such a long time.
Yes, a long time.
So now that you passed your exam, so what will you do next in the future?
No plan.
No plan. Okay.
No plan.
Okay.
Maybe I want learning meditation.
Okay.
I want to learn meditation.
Okay. Why do you like meditation so much?
Because my body is many change, slowly many change.
Okay.
But my mind no change.
Not change.
No change.
Uh-huh.
Mind is continuous use. I can try meditation.
Okay, try meditation. Yeah.
For me, because my body is very old.
Okay. Okay, right.
Old. Then body is waste, but mind is use.
Okay.
Use.
Okay.
Meditation help my mind.
So the meditation helps your mind, even though your body is changing.
Yes.
Maybe it keeps your mind healthy or something. Healthy mind, like healthy mind.
Yes, meditation use the healthy mind.
Healthy mind. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Meditation use my mind
Positive.
positive mind use.
Okay. Okay. Got
No negative mind.
Not a negative mind. Okay. Cool. I see. Yeah. Thanks. That's very interesting.
No.
Thanks for sharing. Hello. I'm in Tushita Monastery, right? With two of my students. This is Tenzin and Kaosan. And we're visiting this meditation. It's called a Medicine Buddha Hall or something, right? And it's like a meditation room. It's pretty interesting. So maybe I'll ask one of them to explain something about it. So Tenzin, can you tell us a little bit about this room or what it is? Like what are all the statues? There's a lot of statues over there. Do you know what the statues are?
Those statues are like we call us 8 medicine Buddha.
Different 8 medicine Buddha. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So the medicine Buddha is like the Buddha of like healing or something? Healing? Curing sickness? Is it right?
He's healing sickness.
Yeah, okay.
When we sick or when we taking Tibetan medicine, we also reciting his mantra.
Oh, okay.
That's like taking medicine and praying him, also reciting this.
Okay.
What's that? Mantra?
Medicine
It's like
Buddha
more
mantra. Like that, it goes like Bekanzi, That one?
Oh, yeah, Bekanzi. The other one, Bekanzi. Maha Bekanzi, Rando Samungadiso.
Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah.
So, but this is also like a meditation room, it seems, right?
This is meditation room.
So people also meditate here?
Yeah, someone's teacher, he's teaching meditation. All the students staying here.
Right. It seems so peaceful and quiet here. So nice. So we're looking at this picture of this very famous Tibetan statue that's currently in Lhasa. And Tenzin's going to help me explain a little bit about the statue in that picture. Can you tell us a little about the statue, please?
Oh, yeah. So this picture, statue in the picture, every Tibetan, we have this picture or room.
Oh.
So everywhere we have. So this we believe very famous and very precious.
Precious.
Yeah, actually he's the Buddha Shakyamuni. His statue was made in India. India to bring in China.
Okay.
In the 7th century.
In the 7th century, the Chinese princess brought it to Lhasa?
Lhasa, yeah.
From the Tang Dynasty?
During Tang Dynasty.
During Tang Dynasty, okay.
So now we still have this statue in the Lhasa, but during the Cultural Revolution, this statue is little damaged.
Damaged.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks amazing, that statue. Wow. And you said it's supposed to look like the actual historical Shakyamuni Buddha? Like supposedly it looks like him, right?
Yes, I heard story. The Buddha Shakyamuni passed away after 100 years.
Yeah.
So then people think, no, like most people don't know how it's him.
Right, how he looks, or how he looked. Yeah.
Yeah. Then they think, okay, we need to make a statue like him. Then they ask around. I think they give announcement.
Announcement, yeah.
Then one like very old woman.
Yeah.
So then she said, she know how it's him or looks.
how he looked.
How looked him.
Yeah.
Then she explained like his like height or
Body shape or something. Yeah.
Color, whatever, everything she explained. Then those maker.
Yeah,
like
the statue maker, the artist or something.
They
carved it.
like this,
Wow.
like as she explained.
Cool. But that's a story. You're not sure if it's true, right? I mean, it's not.
It's not true.
It's not true. It's like a story.
It's a story. I don't know.
Okay.
But another statue like this.
Yeah.
Still in the Bodh Gaya.
Oh, Bodh. Wow. Wow, that's a really beautiful statue. Thanks a lot for explaining that. Thanks again for explaining something. Okay. So you're saying it's like samsara?
Oh, this is like samsara. We go and round here.
We started here, we went around, and we came back to the same crazy place. We just saw a very nice sunset, but I forgot to film. I didn't film anything with the sunset, so I missed that. Anyway, yeah, it was a nice hike though, right?
Yeah.
Kind of fun and oh god, it's so crowded here. Crazy.